Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Key. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Today, guys, I could not wait. We are finally unboxing the November Boxycharm. So, let's get started. I was looking at the box. I was like, this box seems kind of small for the one I had in October. So, let's see what's inside. I could not wait for this Boxycharm to come. I couldn't wait to see what I got. And this is how the box came. If you guys can see it. And let's see what we have in here. We have the Boxycharm Harvest. And let's see, the first thing is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. It says a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha Essentials Everyday Warm Tone Eye Pigments that she mixes and matches for her favorite palettes. And this was a Boxy exclusive. So let's see if we can find it. Ooh, yes, this one's actually pretty cute. I think I will have a lot of fun with this, even though it only comes in like 5 shades. I think it'll still be cute. So many ways you can mix and match things. And let's see, the next thing is the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Says deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal of moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness and gentle enough for sensitive skin. So what we're looking for is, let's see, here it is. This is what it is, the Murad. Let me see if I can focus for you guys. It's not really focusing. But let's see what it looks like. Let's take it out the box, see what it looks like. Oh, it's cute. It comes like this. Too much light, there we go. And let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, has a little cap on it. Okay, I like that. It's a little cream. Looks smooth, silky. Place the cap back on this because we're definitely going to be using this later on. I think that was a cute product. That's definitely a cute product. It's definitely moisture for your eyes. I'm gonna put this back in here. Guys, and make sure you test, like, if you've never had this product before, make sure you test a small area of your skin, because you don't want to just put it on your face or put it on parts of your skin and you have a whole allergic reaction. So the next thing, let's see, we have the Jura Cosmetic Lip Enhancer. It says infused with good for your clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. So I believe this is it. This is what the box looks like. Light it really. Okay, that's what the box looks like. And let's see what it looks like out of the box. I'm thinking this thing is really small. I thought it was gonna be real big, but this is what it looks like. And it is Central Lip Enhancer. Okay, so it goes on like just a regular lip gloss for your lips. Let's see, the next thing is Beauty Creations Esmeralda 2. It says this palette is named after Beauty Creations CEO and made for a night out of the town. The bold shimmer shades ranging from gold to midnight blue make for the perfect statement look when paired with the rich matte shades in this palette as well. Let's see, so this would be the next thing. Let's see how the palette looks. Seems like I always struggle trying to get the palette out. So we're just gonna rip the paper. We'll rip it because I always struggle trying to get the palette out of the thing. All right, so this is what the front looks like. And let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, like these colors, nice and warm for the fall. That paper just fell out too. Nice and warm and cozy for the fall. I think these would be a lot of cute colors that we can mix and match with and do many different shades and looks with. I think that'd be definitely cute. That'd be really cute. They kind of mess this up though. How did that little bit of, I guess, one from this shade got into the gold, but I'm definitely going to fix it. Hopefully it'll take it out, because I definitely don't want those colors mixing. Okay. And the last thing is the Ultimate Eye Sculptors. To define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes, specially designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity. So that would be, let's see, these. Okay, so this is the two brushes that I received. They really look cute though. Like, these are definitely cute. I can definitely see myself using these all the time. And it's 100% vegan, so that's pretty cool. So that is all I have in my box for today, guys. I'm so happy about this box. I didn't think that it would come with so much stuff, and I definitely seen this promotion on Boxycharm, and I could not wait to try it. Could not wait to get the eyeshadow palette, and also it was a great box in general. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.